What would the content for the videos be for a local business like a plumber or window cleaner? Are they stock videos or stock images? I get them done on Fiverr. I'll show you guys some of the ones that I've got done. And I vary on the money that I've spent on this before. Let's see. Here's when I bought several from this person here. And you can see they're not bad. I don't know if it's a female or a male, but how do I get to that fucking order again? Maybe right there. That's probably it. Nope, that's not it. Let's try that. I've used this one a few times. Not very expensive. I usually go for the 60-second videos. So about $70. I don't let them write the script though. I write the script and give it to them. And then I tell them, name, address, phone number, logo. I give them all that stuff so that they can put all that in there. And I give them the script and then they do the videos. And these work pretty good. These are what I use for branding videos, stuff like this. Okay. This is just one. Just go to Fiverr, guys, and look for videos like this. That's all you need to do. I've spent anywhere, but like this is actually pretty inexpensive. That's why I've used this one a lot more recently. But I've spent as much as $350 on a video, and it wasn't much better than this one, if that makes sense. So I usually go with these, and I go with the 60-second videos for YouTube ad stuff. Okay.